Hello everyone. Today you will learn the pronunciation, meaning, and the usage of the word diaspora. Let's break down the pronunciation first. The first sound is die, not dia. It's die. S. The S sound is like an apple. So dies, dies. Then p, and in the end a sound. So together we'll say it like this: diaspora, 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 diaspora. Say it with me: diaspora. It means the movement, migration, or scattering of people away from original homeland. A group of people living outside their ancestral homeland but maintaining connections to it. For example, Indians living in US, they are Indian diaspora. Italians living in Canada, they are Italian diaspora. Syrians living in Australia, they are Syrian diaspora. They are not living in their homeland, but they are still recognized and identified as Syrian Australian or Indian American or Italian Canadian. Hope the meaning is clear. Here are different forms of this word. Diaspora is noun and diasporic is adjective form. Here are the examples. The Jewish diaspora spread across Europe and the Middle East over centuries. The African diaspora has influenced music, cuisine, and culture around the world. It means the African people who went outside their countries and settled in other countries. If you go visit some country, then you are not part of diaspora. You are part of diaspora when you migrate there to live there. Many members of the Indian diaspora maintain strong cultural ties with India. And that is correct, isn't it? Let me know in the comments. Diaspora writers often explore themes of identity and belonging. Now tell me in the comments, what's one word you find difficult to pronounce in professional meetings or in everyday interactions? Let me know and I will create a lesson on that. Take care and bye till next video.